Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. I'm definitely super excited to have you. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for your love, thank you for your comments. I sincerely appreciate it. Now, if you'd want to see how I created this beautiful cap right here, then you want to see this video till the end. First, I started by measuring a total of 22 inches. 22 inches on my fabric. I measured 22 inches and then I marked. I did the same for the other end. I marked and then I used my rule to connect the lines. After doing so, I cut it out. Guys, the measurement is 22 inches length by 16 inches depth. So the length is 22, the width is 16. I'm going to fold my fabric into two this way, and I would notch the midpoint with my scissors. Yeah, and I'm also going to do same for my mako. This mako, I got it from where they sell shoemaking fabric, so shoemaking materials basically. And the measurement I'm working with is 18 inches, 18 inches length, and then the width of it is 2.5 inches. So that's about it. I'm going to fold my mako into like this, the way I did for my fabric, and I'm also going to notch the midpoint. The reason why I notch the midpoint is so that my mako stays at the middle of my fabric, stays in between my fabric, and I don't miss it. So now I'm going to bring back my fabric, open it up, and place the mako on it so that the places I notch meet each other, or meet meet itself. So after doing that, I'll fold my fabric like this, fold my fabric this way, and then fold it inside as well, neatly and gently. And after doing that, I would use my pin to hold the sides of it so that while I'm sewing, it doesn't shift. And after doing that, I'm going to sew my fabric together. So I'm just placing my pin around it, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew straight down. Sorry guys, I missed a process. After sewing it, I folded it into two like this, and I went ahead to sew it. Okay, I went ahead to sew all the way down till the end. Now I'm going to be using my needle and thread to make loose stitches just immediately after my band. I'll be making loose stitches from this point till I get to the end of it, like this. And when I sew it this way using my needle and thread, I'm going to repeat the process. When I get to the top, I'm going to repeat the process. I'll tie it here and then come back again till I get to this very point, and I would tie it, and then my cap would just be ready. At this point, I am done tying, stitching and tying, and I'm just going to open it up to the good face. Yay, my cap is ready. So this is for a simple Zara cap. If you want to make a simple Zara cap, this is it. So let's get right into embellishing this beautiful cap that we have created. Remember, you can embellish with stones, you can embellish with fabric flowers, you can embellish with trimmings and the rest. But I'll be using a lace trimming for this embellishment. And for it, I'm going to just cut out the pattern that I want from this lace trimming. You can decide to just get lace trimmings from the market and place on it. But I just like to be creative. So I'm going to cut this into tiny bits, cut out the pattern that is here already, every one of it. I'm going to cut it out, and then I would embellish my cap with it. Here I am done cutting them out, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my gum, my glue on them. I'll apply my glue on them, and then I'll allow it to dry for a while. I'll let it dry a little, and I will begin to embellish my cap with it. So I got this fabric flower. It's a leftover from my previous work, and I just thought it would be nice to have it alongside this lace trimming I have here. So they're a little dry now, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on my cap, and I'll go ahead and embellish the cap. So this is a good place for me to say that if you have come this far seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button, kindly like this video. It would help me and it would help my algorithm. Kindly like this video and don't forget to give it to subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment, you can ask me questions. I'll be really very excited to give you answers in the comment section. Okay, so this is me just applying them and designing, just basically creating, playing around. Now, I always say that you are the boss of it all, so you can just go ahead and embellish it whichever. There are no rules to these things. So, as long as you're creative, you can just do what works for you. I'm done applying the lace trimming and I'm applying a stone around, just somewhere around the lace trimming. So now I am done. Here I am done, and this is what the cap looks like. Gorgeous, isn't it? This is what it looks like. Really easy. That's it. This is what our cap looks like after making it. I hope you got value. I hope you learned. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you got value. Please let me know in the comment section if you think this combination is nice, green and silver, because I was contemplating mixing the two, but it turned out really nice. So let me know if you would want to do this, if you love the combination. Let me know what you think of my cap. Is it beautiful? Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.